If you love that plain color look, simple, soft, and effortlessly chic, this American Instagram style clean makeup is perfect for you. We're going for a smooth, seamless finish, skin that still looks like skin, just a bit more defined and radiant. Let's get started. Begin with a little moisturizer or eye cream under your eyes and around your nose to help prevent creasing. Then use a sheer, skin-like foundation or tinted base to even out your complexion while keeping it light and breathable. Next, use a creamy contour stick to softly define your eyes, outer corners, nose tip, forehead, and temples. For foundation, use a thin brush and apply within the cheekbone area, don't go beyond it. Blend everything with a sponge or brush for that soft, natural depth. Then, use a brush to softly brighten the high points of your face. For contour, apply it along the outer edges of your face. Add a bit more around the nose bridge and jawline for extra depth. For blush, apply it high in the cheeks and lightly across the nose for a fresh, lifted look. Set only the areas that tend to get oily, leaving the rest of the skin dewy. Use a brown shade eyebrow gel. For the eyes, apply a beige or soft brown shade across the lids and lower lash line. Use the leftover product on your brush to softly blend through the brows for balance. Deepen the lower lash line with a slightly darker brown to add subtle definition. You can also contour the under eye area, aiguë sal. You can also use that to draw a light eyeliner. Then draw below eyes to add definition. Add highlights on the upper parts of the eye. Now we're going to add some wispy lashes. You'll want to apply them individually and carefully so they sit perfectly on your lash line. Gently push them upward and slightly downward to make them look softer and more natural. Add a tiny beauty mark and outline both your upper and lower lips. After that, apply a peach tone lip gloss right on top, then blend everything together for that soft, glossy finish. And that's it, that's the final look. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and subscribe for more makeup tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.